Hello and welcome to IT Security with Red Hat Made Easy by EC Council. My name is Bilal Daye and I will be your instructor. In this course, we will learn to secure Linux-based infrastructure and avoid any pitfalls that may lead to breaches. We will also use the most modern tools to automate security instead of the outdated manual approach. Lastly, we will learn to proactively think about security as it is a requirement and not an afterthought. This course follows a hands-on approach to maximize your ability to work with security tools. You will experience security tools on a first-hand basis. For the course roadmap, we will begin with an introduction and a preparation of the environment that you will be using throughout the course. Then, we will start by configuring intrusion detection. Intrusion detection allows us to detect any changes on the system that have not been done by authorized users and are not welcome to continue on the system. Then, we will move on to configure encrypted storage. This is an important requirement when configuring and securing systems. You need to have storage that is encrypted in case the drive goes missing or you lose access to it. Then we will move on to restricting USB devices. We don't want anybody plugging in USB devices and taking data out of our data center. Then we will go to PAM authentication. PAM is the pluggable authentication module. PAM allows us to configure password policies, retry mechanisms in case wrong passwords are entered, timeouts, and so on. Then we will configure system auditing. Auditing is just like auditing in finance. It allows us to know who did what and at what time did that happen. Then we will go to SE Linux, which is a very interesting topic. SE Linux is internal security, and we will magnify this distinction and will stress upon it that it's not synonymous with the firewall. Lastly, we'll go to OpenSCAP to automate all of the hardening mechanisms and security enhancements, and we'll see how we can generate shell scripts or Ansible playbooks to automate security instead of doing it manually. The prerequisites for the course are basic Linux understanding and some security knowledge. We have very minimum hardware requirements. So to successfully complete this course, you would need a virtual machine or a desktop with an operating system that has RedHat 7 or 8, a processor of 1 CPU or virtual CPU, 2 gigs of memory, and 24 gigs of storage. So that would be it for the introduction, and I look forward to see you on the inside.